Hello, y'all. Here to help you with the average atomic mass calculations. Okay, so what average atomic mass is? That's what you see on the periodic table. On my big periodic table, it's the red number under the symbol. What you're going to notice is it's not a nice even number like these. It's an average of the weights of these isotopes, and it takes into consideration how much is found naturally of these different isotopes. So if you have a handful of silicon, 92.23% of it is silicon that weighs 28 atomic mass units. And then 4.68% is this isotope, and 3.09% of that handful would be silicon 30. Okay? The most stable isotope is the one that there's the most of. Okay? So to calculate, what you're going to do, as it says in the instructions right above this problem, it says you're going to multiply the mass number times its percent abundance. Okay, so multiply all these numbers, and we're going to set it up in a nice little table format, which is going to help us to make very few mistakes. So we're going to write all the mass numbers. So you got 28 and 29 and 30. And then we're going to be multiplying and what you'll hear me say is you're going to multiply across and then add down. So we'll write our percentages, but it'll be easier to do it this way. So times 92% times 4.68% all right. So then we need equal signs, I suppose. All right, so we're going to do 28 times this number, 29 times that, 30 times this, and then we're going to add up all those numbers. 28 times 92.23. Make sure you write all the numbers. So 258244. That was a really bad 8. Not remember that number, guys. All right, 258244 and 29 times 4.68 and 3572. Can't copy and paste that, unfortunately. So 135. Point 17, and then 30 times 29. I know it looks like I'm writing like a third grader, so please bear with me. I need to see the calculator while I do the next calculation. So we're going to add this to that to that. So 92.7 plus 135.72 plus 2582.44. What you're going to notice is it's similar to this number right here after we do our last step. So 2810 .6. All right, it says divide by 100. What you're going to notice is you just need to move the decimal place 2 times to the left. So you're going to get the average atomic mass of silicon is 28.1. And we could actually round it to 28.11. And atomic mass units, AMU. So anytime you see AMU that's talking about atomic mass units, it's basically like the same as how much one proton weighs, just about.